Hi, welcome back to Neil Norton's Lotus XL Restoration, episode 31 I think now. Yeah, so I've been having a look through problems with the front suspension, dismantling some of the components and things from the front suspension, so I've bit the bullet and bought a press, which I showed you in the last episode here. Unfortunately now we're well into October, middle of October, and the days are getting very short, the nights are getting much longer, so a bit limited on what we can do outside after work, so most of the work outside has to be done at the weekends, but as I say, there is a few things we can do, and certainly on the front suspension. I've put the press together, so I'm going to try and see if I can do the irritating job of removing the ball joints on the suspension components. So let's just get on with it and see how we get on. So there we are with the new addition to the toolkit. 20-ton press I bought. I ordered it from Germany. It cost me something like €230, something like that. So I've just put it together now. And yeah, I guess I'm going to see how it works with removing that ball joint there on that suspension component. So let me set it up and get on with that. I'm sorry, I think I forgot to press the film button, but it literally just went straight through within seconds. Big crack. And through it went. Maybe I'll show you on the second one how easy it was. But yeah, with the right tools, life's so much easier. Let me dismantle that anyway and see what I've got. Yeah, it's as good as through. I think I'll just cut the rubber boot off there with a Stanley knife, but I am so pleased with that. It's already been worth the investment. There you go. Yeah, I didn't even need to remove the boot. It's just pulled straight through. No problems at all. So I'll clean this component up now. Give it a paint, and it can join the rest of the components over there. I'm having a bit of trouble getting both of these two nuts off. That one is just super tight. This one, it just keeps spinning around on there. Unfortunately, it looks like I'm going to have to use the nuclear option on these two, which is the angle grinder. So let me set that up and get them off. Yeah, it's come off now, so I'll just have to knock that bit out, that thread out of there. Now that the end of the ball joint's been cut off from the frame, the star hub down there, I thought I'd just show you how easy life is when you've got the correct tools. So I'll set up the press as it is, and yeah, apply a bit of force. I think that's pretty much through. Maybe I should just loosen it up and try. Let me have a look. Yep, that's pretty much through. Don't know if you can see it on the camera there, but it's loose. It's just the rubber bit that's holding it in place. now it's out. There you go. I don't know if you can see that. That, ladies and gents, that thing there, yeah, okay, it cost me €230. But if you're going to do a suspension on a car, get one. I'm pushing a much smaller bushing into the suspension arm there, and as you can see, this job has now become an absolute doddle. I think that's just about far enough. Yeah. Yep. Job done. Pleased with that. Pressing in the bushing for the anti-roll bar that connects to the bottom link. Hopefully. Haven't quite gone in yet. That's it in. Good stuff. Hopefully it's not damaged. I must admit, when I was trying to press the ball joint out of, press it back in, I made a boob. I didn't remove the dust cover and I ended up completely destroying it. I didn't realise actually how easy it is to remove a dust cover from a ball joint, but you've basically got a couple of retaining clips which I show here, and that's like a coiled piece of wire, if you like, and that you just have to basically use a screwdriver and sort of remove it from there. So do that, people, before you try and press ball joints into suspension pieces. However, that said, I did order, you can find them quite easily, the boot covers on Amazon or wherever. You just basically measure the size up, so the diameter of the top opening there and the diameter of the bottom opening, and they are readily available on Amazon, just the boot covers. They're not hugely expensive. I think for two I paid about €10 or something like that, so that fits quite well. Haven't put the clips on there yet, but I will do. The other problem I also had was I ordered the wrong spring. Well, I didn't order the wrong springs, I was delivered the wrong springs, in fairness. So I'm expecting them to be... Yeah, I've sent the springs which were too long, sent them back to Lotus. I think the springs that I got were actually designed for the Eclat or the earlier Elite model to the XL. But anyway, I sent them back to Lotus Bits, and plus the rusty old springs that I had on the car, which they will refurbish as well. I'm expecting the delivery maybe this week, certainly no later than next week, of the new ones. So I'll conclude this video right here, right now, and the assembly of all the parts that I've reconfigured, I'll do that in the next video, I think. So once again, people, thanks for taking an interest, thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button if you can, and until the next episode, thank you.